Avast to write for your research program in terms of a process. Almost every step of your research can be completed by a suitable applet. With its amazing simplicity, AstaWrite allows a researcher to conduct research in many ways. Outlined here is 1. Managing references. 2. Conducting a literature review. 3. Performing a gap analysis. 4. Creating a conceptual or theoretical framework. 5. Developing research questions. 6. Conducting grounded theory. 7. Developing questionnaire. 8. Analyzing using structural equation modeling. 9. Conducting other quantitative analysis. 10. Statistical tests. 11. Synthesize the thesis. Completing the tasks then collates the matter for your thesis. For more information, see our other videos on research and thesis writing following your interest. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.